Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about, I've already created this using the Smart Fill tool. Now I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to create a 3D effect. So if you go to Smart Fill and you specify no fill, and you specify something other than a hairline in black, and then fill that in, go to the contour tool and set to the center 0.001 to a light gray and hit apply. Then all you have to do is go through there and keep doing this every time, and you'd have a 3D effect with a border around it. And that's a pretty cool idea. I like the 3D effect with the border around it because it's going to give you some pretty interesting scenarios, because this white pattern between will not engrave at all, and then your 3D effect will start. Now, with that said, you could do the opposite, and let's get the Smart Fill tool, and let's specify a light gray. Go to, if you're a laser engraver, especially for this, you're going to use RGB, and let's use a light gray to fill that in. Now, when we go to the contour tool, we're going to change this to a black and hit apply, and you get a totally different look. So then when you do the next one, it will automatically do that. That might not be as cool of an effect as the other because the white lines are not going to engrave, but it would give you a different look. It would give you a look like this is actually going to, when you run this on a 3D mode on your print driver, it's actually going to look like, that. It's going to actually look like a hole, and this is going to be a raised surface. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.